How to download your QR code. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download your QR code on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on those three lines up of your profile and now click on setting and privacy. You're gonna find a lot of options. Just searching, you're gonna find QR code, and this is your TikTok QR code. All you need to do is you're gonna find this list, scroll over and click on download, and this is it. Now this photo have saved to your device. Easy and quick. You can also change the color by just tap to background. And this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like.